Hi. So, several of my friends have been asking me what happened with the noise coming from the chillers at the Wissahickon Middle School. And what you hear in the background is their attempt to muffle the sound. So I'm at the Wissahickon Middle School now, and walking by the chiller system, you can see and hear that they put up a fence with sound insulation. And this is the noise that you start to hear as soon as you start walking on the sidewalk on Houston. Anyway, so the noise continues, and their ineffective attempt to muffle the sound is that. And meanwhile, the kids on the field are still exposed to this. Can't believe it.